Hello, everyone, and welcome to Calculus. This is a Shaffer Snapshot on how to use MRAM to find the area under a curve. There's just 4 easy steps, and I'm going to jump right into an example to show you. So the question says, find the area under y is equal to x squared plus 4 on the interval from -2 to 6 using MRAM over 4 intervals. So step 1 is to draw a graph of the function. So I'm going to start at -2. -2 squared is 4 plus 4 is 8. -1 squared is 1 plus 4 is 5. 0 squared plus 4 is 4. 1 squared plus 4 is 5. 2 brings us back up to 8 again. 3 squared is 9 plus 4 is 13. 4 squared plus 4 is 20. 5 squared is 25, plus 4 is 29, and finally 6 squared is 36, plus 4 is 40. So this is what our curve looks like. It's a little exaggerated because I made uneven x and y axis units, but that was so we could draw our intervals clearly. Step 2, mark out the bases to divide the interval into rectangles. So it says over 4 intervals, and since our interval is 8 units in length, they're each going to be 2. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mark each one as being 2 units wide. So this gives us the base and the sides of each rectangle. But what we need is the height, and this is the important step 3. Locate the midpoint of the base of each rectangle. So for this one, it's -1. And then use the y value of the midpoint to determine the height of the rectangle. So when x is equal to -1, the y value is 5. That is going to be the height of this rectangle. This is a 2 by 5 rectangle. Next one, the midpoint is 1. And again, the y value at 1 is 5. So this is also a 2 by 5 rectangle. This next one, the midpoint is 3. So I go up. Remember, 3 squared plus 4 was 13. So I go up to my 13. I have to extend this left-hand side a little bit to make my rectangle. So again, this is 2 wide and 13 tall. So it's a 2 by 13 rectangle. And the last one, the midpoint is 5. The y value is 29. So I'm going to make the height of this rectangle 29. So this is a 2 by 29. So you can either do these each individually, or you could just say 2 times 5 plus 5 plus 13 plus 29 as a little bit of a shortcut there. But either way, you're going to come up with 104, which is step 4. Find the area of each rectangle and add them together. The actual answer, if you were to integrate, is 106 2/3. So MRAM is actually a really great estimate because it overestimates, but then it also underestimates. So it kind of balances out a little bit and gives you a really great estimate. If you need to see any more examples or worked out practice problems with MRAM, there is a full-length video, and that link is in the description for you. Have a great day.